What you doing, buddy?
Just kind of hanging out here in the desert.
Hanging out there in the Ball Ingenuity greenhouse?
Yes.
It's cool in here. Come on. I don't know what you're playing out there in the desert. Hey, everybody. Chris Beatties.
Jen Zerko.
And Bill Calkins. We are here from GrowerTalks and Tech on Demand. You're also from GrowerTalks, aren't you?
I am.
I'm trying to remember these things. We're here at the PanAmerican seed location, Santa Paula, California, looking specifically at Ball Ingenuity new varieties. It is not a desert. It's lush with new introductions. Ball Ingenuity is all from third-party breeders. And Bill, you seem enthralled with this first desert plant here. Tell us about this one.
I do. I've always liked Kangaroo Paws, and it's rare that we see them out here at spring trials. But this is a new series called Celebrations from Ball Ingenuity. It's a 4-color series at this point. Obviously, they're Australian native plants, so they're really at home here in the desert. And yeah, with 4 colors, the message here is the breeding on the different colors.
That one's called Masquerade, specifically.
Masquerade's the blue one.
Getting real close there, Osvaldo, videographer extraordinaire, to see the blue tint.
It starts
flowers.
blue and then it turns purple.
Right.
Right.
Speaking of purple, this one is called Carnival.
That's the purple one. Really holds that purple color.
All right, we're going to crowd into the desert here. It's not a big desert, but you could get stranded in it. This one's called Fireworks.
And that's the red. Red goes from red to blue.
Right.
And then this is Aussie Spirit, which is a little bit more of a yellow. Kind of
Comes from
starts green. Yeah.
So those are new Anigozanthos, the celebration series from Ball Ingenuity. Being from the tropics myself, a more humid environment, I like this new introduction. This is a tecoma. Tecoma is a relative of trumpet vine. You can see these amazing trumpet flowers, but this series is called Kalama. And Bill, you're looking at these. What's the characteristics of the Kalama series?
Well, it's very much a compact series of tecomas. They're positioning for patios, window boxes like you see here. They are available as unrooted cuttings through Las Limas, the ball flower plant production facility. How many colors? 3?
There are 3. And did you know Kalama in Hawaiian means torch or light?
I did know that. You know why I knew it?
How'd you know?
Because it's in my notes.
Oh, because Joe told us.
That's right. There are, blood orange, papaya, pomegranate. These are not vining types. This would be perfect for anybody in Florida, Texas, any place hot, humid. They just stick to about 2 feet tall or so.
And Joan said they pair well with other tropical plants like mandevilla, hibiscus,
Diplodynia, just in combos.
And she said that they were showing them in the window boxes so you could see that they do actually keep themselves pretty tidy.
Beautiful habit.
Chris, we're going to look at begonias. And this is the emerald ring begonia from Ball Ingenuity, and they're showing it in baskets because that is the habit that it was bred for.
This is a standalone begonia.
It is.
That's just one emerald ring. Great spotted foliage.
And it's fuzzy. Feel it.
It kind of is. And you can see the trailing habit that's kind of generating there. Come down low, Osvaldo, and you see how nicely it works in combinations. Shade combinations.
Shade for outdoors, and you can also bring it indoors.
That's right. Now, the one key, though, is this is not a Jurassic.
Nope.
But Jen knows what Jurassics are.
I do know what they are. And they're named Jurassic because the leaves of these Rex begonias look like dinosaur skin. And there's 4 different collections they have. From large to small, there's Megalo, which is these big leafed ones here. And then the regular Jurassics, or I guess Jurassic, here, which are kind of like the medium size. And then Jurassic Junior, which is a little bit smaller than Jurassic. And then we've got Dino, which are the smaller leafed ones. And they've got 3 new ones. 2 of them are here. The first one is the Jurassic Snowfall, and it's got kind of like an iridescent leaf here.
I happen to like this one over here, Jenzy. This is a Dino called Cherry Fields. Dino is the beautiful compact type.
And Bill said that they've been working on these for, 12 years? They introduced them 12 years ago, Bill?
Yep, 12 years for the Jurassics. And the third color that Jen mentioned actually is not here, and that's Strawberry Heart, and that's part of the Junior collection.
That's Jurassic Begonias from Ball Ingenuity.
Chris, we've known each other a long time.
Yes, we have, sir.
Mi casa, su casa.
Well, that's very generous of you.
So, welcome to my house.
Are you talking about this?
I am. I'm talking about the new Canova Casa.
Well, what's the new Canova Casa all about?
It's really awesome because it looks great as a foliage plant indoors in your house. And then after about 10 weeks, you can bring it outdoors and use it in your garden like more of a traditional landscape canna.
All right, well, that's the key. This is not new breeding.
No.
Canova Canna Bronze Peach is an existing variety, but what they've learned is when the plant is young, it will do indoors just fine for about 10 weeks or so. So you can sell it early in the season, let consumers know, hey, enjoy it indoors, and then as it warms up, you can put it out on your patio, plant it up into a larger pot or what have you. They've even got a little bit of a sample POP they're kind of working on there.
And the
Now,
copy on the tag is actually going to help
nothing on the
consumers
back yet.
understand how to step this plant outside so you're not taking it from your 60-degree indoors right out to the heat.
There you go, a nice concept. But in new genetics, check this one out here. This is a Canova canna called Rose Dark Bud. And the key with this one is that it is much more naturally compact. It only grows to 18 to 20 inches tall. No PGRs needed on that one, but you still get the big, beautiful flowers.
And this is the first and newest breeding of Canova. Jones said they're not replacing the other ones, but they're focused on other attributes as they introduce new genetics.
Because, you know, cannas are great when they're up here, but hey, maybe they're even more fun on a patio when they're down here. Bill, are you hungry?
I am hungry.
I got an idea for you. Come this way.
Let's do it.
Well, what if I'm hungry?
Come on too. Bill, it's been a great day. It's been a great day at the Bill. It's been a great day at the trials. We've seen a lot of tall plants. What we need is some more compact plants, especially like for a table setting. Like,
I don't
Bill,
think
are
this
you
will
over
make a
there?
good centerpiece.
you know, this is a problem.
This is a problem. You need something that is tabletop height, like
Oh, now we can have a nice conversation around the dinner table thanks to Table Tensia. Yes, Table Tensia is the new potted hydrangea that makes dining a pleasure.
10 to 12 inches tall, naturally compact. It's really a first of its kind, and you can tell from this. It's not just compact, it is covered with stems. There's like 15 stems
That's
in
one
there.
plant. Now, comes in a 6-inch pre-finished liner if you're going to grow these yourself out of Aldershot up in Canada. And you'll plant it up into an 8 or 9-inch bowl or pan. And then just go ahead and finish it very quickly. This is what you get. A beautiful little plant, 2 colors, pink and blue. Blue is typical blue hydrangea where you want to treat it with aluminum.
Yep.
I'm stepping on your technical stuff there, Bill. But
Yeah, that's what I was
just
going
on
to
a
say.
roll.
You're covering it.
but order now. Order a year in advance.
That's correct, because they need to force these things for you. They need to grow them on. So if you're thinking about doing Table Tensia from Ball Ingenuity, order now.
Order now.
Now.
Now, I'll let you get back to your romantic bromance
Yes, can we
dinner.
get some
Have fun.
wine here, please?
Oh, all right, sure. I'll be right back.
What a great day in the trials, Bill.
Always, always.